my birthday this year is unlike the previous ones. I'm not talking about the location, dummy. Of course, Paris is a very special place for me. It's a place filled with fond memories and precious moments. You're smiling again. Do you really get what I'm saying? Never mind. It doesn't matter. Just stay by my side and smile all you want. It might be too late to say it now, but I have a better understanding of your obsession with quirky surprises. What do I mean by quirky? Do you really want me to list all of them? Why the long face? I'm not making fun of you. What I'm saying is that I'm happy. It'll be amusing to look back on today and remember someone all in a panic. Don't worry. We still have many important days to spend together. And we will create plenty of new memories together from now on. Remember what you promised. Never be absent from my life.